Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a stunning tiny house that is just 226 square feet in size but has a lot of style and functionality. Lulu here. I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. This tiny house is a perfect example of how to live large in a small space. So without further ado, let's take a look inside this incredible tiny home in black and white. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching and let's get started. So in this video, you will see a tour of an incredible tiny house that is just 226 square feet in size but has everything you need to live comfortably and stylish. This tiny house has a beautiful black and white design with a small wooden deck on two sides. The interior is bright and spacious with a tiny but functional kitchen, a small dining area, a cozy living area, a modern bathroom and a loft bedroom. The house is decorated with black and white pictures, posters, and accessories which give it a lot of character and elegance. You will be amazed by how this tiny house owner has used every inch of space wisely and creatively. Watch this video to see how you can live large in a tiny house. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this incredible tiny home in black and white. This tiny house is a perfect example of how to live large in a small space with a lot of style and functionality. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next one. Bye!